How to create Google Scholar account. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Scholar and open the official website. Now, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and log in using your Google account. I have already signed in using my research Gmail account, so let's move to the next step. After signing in, click on My Profile. Enter your full name, your institution or university name, and your official email address if you have one. Then select your areas of interest so Google Scholar can recommend relevant research for you. Next, click Next. Google Scholar will show you a list of articles that may belong to you. Select your articles if available, then click Next again. Now choose whether you want your profile to update automatically or send updates for review. Select the option you prefer. Finally, set your profile to public so others can find your research. Then click Done. That's it. Your Google Scholar account is now created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.